Welcome to Foxtecc. If your iPhone isn't downloading built-in apps, there are a few possible reasons for this issue. Let's go through the solutions so you can get those apps back. First, remember that built-in apps are exactly that, built into iOS. Most Apple apps should already be in your app library, so before doing anything else, swipe down on your home screen and search for the app. If it's still installed, it will show up there, and you can just drag it back to your home screen if needed. If the app isn't there, check the App Store. Some Apple apps like Safari or Mail can be deleted, but you can reinstall them the same way you would with any other app by searching for them in the App Store and tapping download. If that doesn't work and the apps won't download, there are a few things to check. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. If your internet is slow or not working, your iPhone won't be able to download apps from the App Store. Try opening a web page in Safari to test your connection. If it's not loading properly, switch networks or restart your router. Restarting your iPhone can also help. Sometimes system processes can get stuck, causing app downloads to fail. Turning your phone off and back on refreshes those processes and might fix the issue right away. Next, check your iPhone storage in Settings, then General, iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, new apps won't be able to download. If you're running low on space, deleting unnecessary files or apps can free up room. Finally, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update, and check for any available updates. Outdated software can sometimes cause issues with downloading apps, and installing the latest update can fix them. That's it. Hopefully one of these solutions helped solve the issue. If it did, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.